Look at all the beautiful birds just hanging out. Happy for some water. If you ever feed the birds, try to give them seeds or at least whole wheat bread, not white bread. It's not good for them. And be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Look up a factory farm video like Farm to Fridge or meat.org, where birds suffer birth to death in sick factory farms, or chicken, eggs, and much more. Birds in battery cages for eggs are tortured. In tiny cages fairly bigger than their bodies, and it takes about 24 hours per egg. They're bred to overproduce. The girls are debeaked and have life in tiny cruel cages. Boys are often mercerated or ground up alive because they are useless to the egg industry. They won't lay eggs and aren't big enough for cooked flesh. So help the baby birds. Go vegan and simply leave them alone, and stop overpopulating. Humans have doubled in 50 years and killed off 69% of wildlife. Smaller families, child-free, organic, vegan saves. Hey, little cutie. Okay, bye, little babies. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater.